I bought too much stuff. Let's take a look at what it is. Okay. So first, I must have been in the holiday spirit because I bought the Adam So's holiday countdown calendar, and then I bought the Fat Quarter Shop Jolly Box. And then on top of it, I received a gift of a Christmas countdown calendar from Sunny Path Fabrics. So I'm going to kind of give you my first impressions of these boxes and then open up day one of my Adam So's and Sunny Path countdown calendars. And then we'll take a look at what we got. And then you can come back in a couple days and we'll open a couple more things. How's that sound? All right, let's get into it. Okay, so first up, let's talk about the 2025 Jolly Box from the Fat Quarter Shop. And every single thing in here was bought with my own money, except for the thing that was gifted to me by my boss. And let's see what we got. So I have a fat quarter, it looks like a fat quarter bundle, mistletoe and holly. I'm going to open this up in a minute and we'll take a look. Fat quarter bundle. I got, mistletoe moments ornament. Oh, I'm going to refilm that because I accidentally punched the mic and I'm sure that would blow out your eardrums. Got a mistletoe magic ornament. Cute. Oh, and there's a panel, which I haven't done much with panels. We'll open that up in a minute. Ooh, my favorite I think this is my favorite color, gray thread. So love that. Aurifil, or however you say it. Yeah, it comes with this mistletoe moments quilt pattern. Pretty cute. And so you need the fat quarter bundle, and then you would have to buy some additional fabric. Unless it's in here. I would hope that it's in here. If it's not in here, what the fabric's like. Cute. Okay, so here's what we've got. We've got the ornament. We've got the fat quarter bundle. We have the pattern that can use the fat quarters, and then you add some. And then the panel is something completely different, unrelated to the pattern. It is a tree skirt and mini stocking panel. So that's pretty cute. So the picture of the tree skirt is pretty cute. I don't have a tree skirt, so this might work out. Let me open up the fat quarter and we'll take a look. All right, so here's the fat quarter bundle. I'm actually happy with this because I don't have a lot of Christmas fabric. And I think this is really cute fabric. Hello, it's Editing Tasha here. And I spent way too much time opening those fat quarters and I think it's not interesting to watch. So I'm going to put a picture of the fat quarters right up here. And I did find a link to where you can look at the fat quarters online and buy the Christmas tree panel, or look at the Christmas tree panel if you're interested in those. So I'll put those links below, and now you've seen a picture and you don't have to watch me open up fabric for the next 4 minutes. Okay, back to the video. I'm happy with this fat quarter bundle. Let me clean up and then let's move on to my Christmas countdown box, one of them. Okay, we're going to start. Well, first off, do you think that Jolly Box was worth it? The panel, the fat quarters, the ornament, and the thread and the pattern for, I'm going to go look. It looks like I paid, with shipping and tax and everything, $65. I don't know. I'll have to look up what that fat quarter bundle goes for, and the panel's kind of cute. $65. I don't know if I would do it again next year. What do you think? All right, now let's open up the next box. So this box, I just took the labels off, so my address, and it'll be a little bit less awkward, is from the Sunny Path Fabrics. It's pretty cute up here, and it's got these little envelopes with stickers on them. So now I'm going to find the number one, and we're going to open it. All right, here's number one. It's got a cute little reindeer sticker on it. How cute is that? Okay. It's so cute. This is a cutie. This looks like a fat quarter. Feels like a fat quarter. And it has got Santa and a Christmas tree and Mrs. Claus and a gingerbread house and all kinds of cute. A snow globe. Very, 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 very cute. Very cute. So that is day one of this box from, how many times am I going to have to look it up? The Sunny Path Fabrics. This next box is from Adam So's. pretty cool because on the packaging, it says it was delivered by the Royal Mail. I mean, that's pretty bougie. I got something delivered by the Royal Mail, and it's very cutely packaged. Pink. How did I match my box? Who knew? Nice bubble wrap. My kids will love this. So props for the bubble wrap. Keeping the children happy. I'm going to look how much I paid for this one. So back on July 4th, that's kind of ironic because it came from the UK. Anyway, back on July 4th, I paid 75 pounds, euros, whatever that little symbol is, and then $30 shipping. I'm not counting the shipping because I was extra and ordered something from overseas. So I paid $75, euros. I don't know what that is in dollars. I don't know, but that's what I paid. Maybe if I can find my credit card statement, I'll put the grand total up on the screen. But all right, so we got this cute box. It's even, the box is wrapped nicely. Who wrapped these for you, Adam? Did you do this? Can you teach me your ways? Very nicely wrapped. Probably could have saved this wrapping paper, but that's not the kind of person I am. Okay, how cute is this? It says Adam Sews Countdown 2025. This actually, I had a rough day. This is making my day. I'm feeling some life come back into me. More pink tissue paper. He really reached his target audience with this. Okay, so what I love about this box is it's already numbered every other day. First package on this is number 2. Day 2. I don't know where we're going with this, but can I tell you this might be my favorite thing I've opened so far. This is some webbing. It is yellow with pink stars on it. Adam, I hope you're taking me on a journey because I'm excited for the colors, everything so far. I'm into it. So I opened 2 Christmas countdown boxes today, the first day of each, and the Jolly box from Fat Quarter Shop. Without a doubt, so far, this webbing and the fat quarter that I received in the first box, my favorite 2 items. So I don't know if the Jolly box was worth it for me, per se. I'm glad I got it. I don't know if I'll get it again next year. We'll have to see when the mood strikes. But I'm very excited for the journey that these 2 Christmas countdown. I don't know if they're technically Advent or Christmas countdown or whatever they are. Whatever they are, I'm excited. So what do you think? Was all this worth it? What are you most excited to see? Come back on December 3rd and we're going to do my Quiltmas video, and then come back on December 4th and we'll open up another 2 days of this box. All right. Take care of yourself and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.